Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about transferring ownership of a Google Doc to another Gmail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the share button up in the top right. If the user you want to transfer the Google Doc to has not been added to the people with access list, you will have to enter their email in up here, and then they will receive an email confirming access to the Google document. And then once they're in the list in here, you can click the drop down arrow next to whatever their permission level is. You would select the option that says transfer ownership, in which case at that point you'd be able to go ahead and send an invitation for that user to be able to accept ownership of the document. Again, you would have to send them a notification and then they would receive it and accept it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.